Hi everyone. So today I'm reviewing a subscription service which is very new to me. I got to know it from Prachi Agrawal from Superbar Style. So the service is the mesh bag. So this is actually the packet which has, or the parcel which has arrived just now from FedEx, and it's actually really heavy and really big, as you can see. So I'm really tempted to see what's inside, so I'll just be unboxing it in front of you. Just to tell you, the mesh bag is a lifestyle subscription service, so they send you a bag of goodies. Like there's a bag and there are certain goodies in it. 5 to 6 goodies is what I've seen till date, and it retails for 1200 rupees for a month. They mostly start shipping by 26th of the month for that month. So this is actually the subscription for April, which has arrived today. So I'll just be showing you what the contents are. So this is the mesh bag for this month. This is a very colorful tote which they have given. So this has this much length of strings, and this is the tote. It's black from the other side, and this is the very ethnic, very nice. I actually like wearing a lot of ethnic stuff, so I'm very happy that they gave it, and yeah, I really like it. So this is the bag. Mostly they send a bag which is reusable kind of a thing. So they've sent totes, they've sent backpacks, they've sent this kind of an ethnic tote. So I'll just dig into the contents. So firstly, they have sent a dabba of Danish cookies. I love Danish cookies, so I'm really happy that they gave this. This is the butterscotch Danish cookies. So this is the first thing that I saw. The second thing is actually something very pretty. So it is this necklace which they have sent me, which you can see has a Parisian feel to it. So it has Paris written on it, and this kind. I'll actually open it and show you as well, as it's looking really nice. It is, I guess, it's a single string necklace with a pendant. So this is how the pendant looks. I'm sorry. So this is how the pendant is looking. So there is Paris written, there is a timepiece and a flower kind of a thing with a tassel. It's a very nice, unique kind of a necklace, and I really love it. So this is the second product. By the way, they sent it in a small mesh bag also, the necklace. The third thing is actually a writing pad, which is great. Always writing pad are always welcome. So I guess yeah, this is a rule writing pad. So this is the third thing. The fourth thing that they've given is actually an MP3 player, which is a multimedia player, MP3 player and USB flash disc, which is great because I've not seen even Sugarbox, which retails for like around $14.99 or something, sending an MP3 player with it. So it's really cool. Though I don't know what brand it is, but it just writes MP3 player there. Good to have, always good to have an MP3 player. The fifth thing, I guess, yeah, the fifth thing is a Blue Lady apparel perfume which they have sent, 100 ml. So they do not mention the prices of their things anywhere, but like yeah, I can count 5 to 6 things. So this is the perfume. I'll actually smell it also for you. A very musky smell. I like the smell, but it's an everyday kind of a perfume, and it's pretty strong. Like it's not a party perfume, but it's for everyday wear, but it's great to have, and it's a full size. It's 100 ml. The next thing that they have sent is in a cute, nice, gift box. So it is the Dior inspired stud earrings. So these are the earrings. I have like lots of these. I have it in white, I have it in black, I have it in pink, and now I have one in blue also. So yeah, always these earrings, somehow you can never have enough of these. So the stud and the back thing is also like also shows on the back the Dior inspired earrings, which is also great. And it was their anniversary edition this time, so they were sending a bonus bag along with the bag that they have sent. So this is my first like mesh bag, and the bonus bag that I have, sorry, I'll have to bend for that, is this envelope clutch which they have sent. It's a very gypsy kind of a clutch. Actually, if you like wearing ethnic, both these bags are like really nice, and even with western wear, it will give you a very nice gypsy kind of a look. So this is the envelope clutch which they have given. It has a titch button and a nice purple string also to it. This is going to look really nice. I can literally style it up with a plain purple kurta or something of that sort, I'll definitely style this up. So these were whatever I got from the mesh bag. I really loved it. I really liked it. This is my second time. I also subscribed to their February one, but I didn't like it that much. But this time I've really liked the mesh bag. It retails for 1200 rupees for a month. And definitely people say that, you know, you do so many subscription boxes, how much do you spend and all of it. But I feel that, you know, the things that come are actually worth more of, you know, the price. So which is why I keep trying subscription boxes every now and then. So this was all hit for me, the mesh bag. Kudos to you. And I'll link down the site and all the details below as well in the description box, so you can check them out for yourself. That's all from my side. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.